fastest rice spray machine. Machine used to spray rice on a large scale. Usually used to eradicate rice pests in large numbers, so that pests that attack rice can be Vegetable harvesting machine. This machine is used by farmers to harvest vegetables quickly. Strawberry harvester robot. This machine automatically harvests and sorts strawberries that are ripe and ready to be harvested, with a system that has been set. Potato harvesting machine. Machine that harvests potatoes and sorts small and large potatoes separately. Rice planting machine. This machine is specially made for planting rice seeds that are ready for planting. This machine is set at a certain distance so that the rice seeds can be arranged according to the wishes of the farmer. Super big lawn mower. This very large machine can cut grass much faster than other mowers. Fastest flower harvesting machine. This machine one way can pick flowers in large quantities at once. Super fast plant sprinkler. This tool one-way tens of hectares of plants can be directly watered. harvesting machine. In a very large carrot plantation, it takes a very long time to harvest it. With this tool, in a matter of hours, everything has been harvested on a hectare of carrot plantation. Onion harvesting machine.